This channel right here got a total of 3.8 million views within 30 days, and we were curious, so we did the same thing. Welcome guys to another adventure on YouTube Shorts, and how we managed to get 7 million views in 30 days with a new channel.
Oh my god!
As you can see, this channel gets thousands of views every day, ranging from 10K up to 34 million views with almost 760,000 subscribers. It might seem impossible, but trust me that with YouTube Shorts, you can reach these numbers very quickly. Well, we tried it using a very helpful tool called Invideo AI, and the results were mind-blowing. I am going to keep you locked in because by the end of this video, we'll reveal the results this channel managed to achieve in 30 days using this very effective tool.
Yeah, boy.
Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Now, before I continue, pay close attention to this video and every step, because I'm not just here to drone on about theory. This is a very practical and easy to follow step, using ChatGPT to generate the prompts. Now, we use ChatGPT to come up with a video idea, and you can actually choose from any niche depending on what you want to achieve with your channel. So we asked ChatGPT to give 10 interesting facts about Greek culture that few people know. You can see the response listed out. After that, we copied the response, which was added to generate another set of prompts to be used for the Invideo AI. So ChatGPT generated individual prompts for the 10 interesting facts so that video to be generated fits the description perfectly, generating videos using Invideo AI. Now to the main character of this video. Just imagine a cutting-edge AI innovation that swiftly crafts YouTube Shorts. All you have to do is provide a prompt, and this tool constructs a video tailored to your instructions. What's more, if the output isn't to your taste, you can keep tweaking till you get the desired changes, and the AI seamlessly adjusts. It functions just like ChatGPT, but for video editing. It's perfect if you need a different voiceover, a quicker intro, or a step-by-step guide to make the best Thanksgiving turkey. Simply make a request, and within moments, the program delivers precisely what you desire. Now I'm talking about the Invideo AI. You might be familiar with Invideo AI, especially if you've been looking for solutions to faster and easier video generation. Invideo is generally recognized for its web-based video editing tool. This innovative solution rapidly generates complete YouTube videos, just with a detailed prompt, and the tool operates with stock footage, meaning there's a lot of stock videos to be used for your prompt. Therefore, most of the work would be in writing detailed prompts. However, I found a way to completely automate this. Just like we did earlier generating the initial prompt on ChatGPT for each fact, we then copied the prompts, headed over to Invideo AI, and pasted them as scripts to generate AI video slides for each of them. Of course, we were able to do that straight away because we've signed up on the platform. I have put the link to Invideo AI in the description of this video. So if you want to try out this method, use this link to get started. Once you're logged in, you will automatically enter this screen. Over here, you will need to paste your prompt and hit generate video. And as you can see in the video, I will start analyzing the prompt. Once it's done, it is going to ask you for a little bit more information. For instance, about the target audience, the look and feel of the video, and the platform on which the video will be posted. As you can see from mine, it just takes a few seconds to load, and then you can now view the generated video. Pro tip is that you can edit the prompts that serve as scripts for each of the videos if you do not like the video generated. However, the script is actually already very good, so I will leave that as is. You could also change the voiceovers to whatever nationality that fits your audience. We use the American male voice, as you can see here. One notable aspect of Invideo's video creation process is the inclusion of voiceover options. Users can either record their own voiceovers or leverage text-to-speech (TTS) technology to generate automated voiceovers based on the provided script or text. I also asked Invideo Bot to resize the video aspect ratio to 9:16. Basically, keep readjusting to make it more engaging to your audience. This step involves fine-tuning transitions, timings, and overall video aesthetics. You don't have to be a video editing wizard or some tech expert to do this. Invideo has a relatively engaging user interface. Focus on making videos that gets people to look at it and keeps them interested. Just just having a channel in a good niche won't be enough. So keep it simple and interesting. Don't forget that the goal is to generate more views for your channel. Once satisfied with the final product, it's time to export the video in their preferred format. So select export and you'll see that you have two options. Either export the video directly so you can download it right away, or you can choose to export project to timeline. So if in the account you enabled beta features and clicked on export, there's an option to export to timeline where you can see what the timeline would look like and make minor changes. This is still in the beta stage, and we haven't completely integrated it yet. While the export project to timeline will present you a window where you can have much more advanced and precise editing capabilities, the edit script option that comes when you click on edit next to the export button is for some last-minute corrections, where one can manually change the media and script if they'd like to or missed out on something earlier in making the video. Here you can edit script and media to make the video more to your liking. Like I said earlier, I have put the link to Invideo AI in the description, so you can actually try out this tool for free. But to export the video without the watermark attached is to simply upgrade to a paid plan. The monthly pricing goes for $25 and $60 for the business and unlimited features respectively. You get a 20% discount if you subscribe to an annual plan of $20 and $48 of both the business and unlimited features respectively. Depending on the chosen pricing plan, there may be limitations on the number of exports or the available video quality. Invideo offers are tailored to different user needs. You can explore that by clicking on the link in the description, showing the results. Alright, if you've been watching this video so far, I'm sure you've been expecting to see the results we got at the end of 30 days. And as promised, it is time to reveal the results of our Invideo AI generated video that gathered so many views. The first month, we did not reach millions of views right away. In fact, we started very slowly, and every day slowly, the views increased. But the ones everyone wants to see are the 7 million views, right? Okay, no problem, now the magic begins. In the second month, we decided to accelerate the creation of videos with our fantastic tool, and we reached the infamous figure of 7.1 million views in just 30 days. As you can see, on the first day of the second month, we had a modest 89K views, igniting the spark for what would become an extraordinary month. By the sixth day, the views surged to an impressive 213,921 views, indicating an enthusiastic response from our audience. This momentum only accelerated, culminating in a staggering 7.1 million views at the end of the 30 days. Our engagement metrics not only attracted views, but also welcomed 8K new subscribers eager to join our community. The watch time, a crucial metric, reached a substantial 6K hours, indicating that our content resonated profoundly with our audience, capturing their attention for extended periods. Approximately 350K likes flooded in, a proof to the positive reception of our content. It's heartening to see our viewers engaging with and appreciating what we have to offer. Not just the likes, approximately 305K returning viewers, and a reach of an impressive 5.6 million unique viewers watched the video. YouTube, like a meticulous matchmaker, tested different audiences to find the perfect match for our channel, and it sure did turn out well. With insights from past experiences, we've seen a transformative impact. Previously, our videos in total got 2.6 million views alone, compared to 7.1 million gotten from a single video. The second month is just the beginning, and we're excited about the limitless possibilities that lie ahead. It only continues from here, and I will update you on our progress and let you know how things are going. Our goal is to grow our viewership on this channel into hundreds of millions using Invideo AI to create and edit our videos without stress. And we want you to be there with us every step of the way. So if you're up for the task, click on the link in the description to sign up on Invideo AI and begin making your own videos for free. You could decide to upgrade your subscription, which is, by the way, a very valid suggestion to get the kind of quality that would fetch you more viewers on your channel. Both new and existing YouTube creators are welcome to join the platform. Remember, all you have to do is hit the link on the subscribe button and you get a 20% discount on the annual plan to explore the platform. Great, isn't it? So there you have it, a glimpse into our YouTube Shorts journey and some invaluable pro tips to help you create videos with ease. Feel free to share what you think about this new Invideo AI tool. Do you have questions regarding this video, Shorts, and YouTube in general? Drop them in the comments and we'll do our best to address them in future videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to join our community for more invaluable videos like this one.